This is our second activity list. Everything is awesome too. It is due on Monday, August 26th. Under structures, required for 20 minutes practice activity, it says, create one poster to illustrate an example and non-example of one classroom expectation from the Great Student Rubric. This is independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. Required for 30 minutes, and it's a product. Complete the structures page for your blueprint. Include an explanation of how you use each one to share with your family. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 20 minutes, which is a learning and practice activity. Watch the BrainPop Junior videos, School. Go under Social Studies, Communities, then School. Then complete the quiz in the resource area. You can listen to the quiz if you need. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Next in structures is an optional activity for 10 minutes. Remember, you do not do optional until other activities are completed. It says add another structure to the structures page and explain it. Independent, reflect when you're done. Next, we have the blueprint section. You have a choice for 20 minutes, a practice activity. Find a buddy and buddy read using Eek, or find a quiet spot to read to self. This is independent or a pair. Write your buddy on the line, reflect when you're done. Next, I have a choice activity for 20 minutes, practice. On your Seesaw account, post one expectation of real reading and take one picture of fake reading. Or make a cartoon to show one expectation for real reading and one thing fake readers do. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. Next is a choice activity, 20 minutes, a practice. Complete Interview Your Friend from the resource area, or complete Friendship Facts from the resource area. Practice being polite and kind as you work together. This is pair. Please write your buddy's name on the line and reflect when you're done. Next, we have required for 15 minutes, a product. Complete the builder biography from the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're done. And we have two optional activities. Remember to not do these until you're done with everything else. It says, make a map of our classroom to add onto your blueprint. Independent, reflect when you're done. And add pictures to your explanation of real and fake reading. Independent, reflect when you're done. Under second grade scientists, we have required for 10 minutes a learning activity. Watch Making Observations on BrainPop Junior. Use the how-to sheet to guide you to correct video. If you still need help, add your name to the help board. Do this by going to Science, Be a Scientist, Making Observations. This is what the icon will look like. This can be done independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes, a practice activity. Complete the observation and inferences paper in the resource area. Add this to the work completed side of your folder when finished. This is independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. And last, we have the early review. Required for 5 minutes. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your ERLA level. Independent, reflect when you're done. This is the activity list for Everything is Awesome Too. Good luck this week.